Updating your profile details on Pluralsight skills is a straightforward process that helps ensure your information is current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Login. Visit the Pluralsight skills website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to update. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the home page. Click on your profile picture or icon to access the drop-down menu and select Profile from the options. Step 3. Edit profile information. On your profile page, look for an Edit button or option. Click on it to open the fields where you can update your personal information such as your name, bio, and profile picture. Step 4. Save changes. After making your desired updates, locate the Save button at the bottom of the Edit section. Click it to ensure all your changes are recorded and applied to your profile. Step 5. Review your profile. Once saved, take a moment to review your profile to confirm that all details are accurate and reflect the changes you intended to make. This step ensures everything looks as you want it to. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Pluralsight skills profile up to date. Regularly updating your profile helps you connect better with the community and showcases your latest skills and achievements.